All right, so I've got all the napkins right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna shuffle them a bunch. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to place them in a circle. Oh, he is. Contestant or selector is in the other room, scratching at the door, wondering why he's locked. In. Okay. Oh. See there. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you meowing. Just move these over here. They're not used to being locked up. Okay, so now I have my kind of perfect circle. Now we have our contestants' favorite treats. One treat. Oop. One treat per napkin. Oh, someone's so angry up there. All right. These seem pretty good. All right. And our selected cat, yeah, is the man with the most experience. All right. Come here. Oh, come here. My guy. Hi. Oh, boy. Don't bite me. Come on. Oh, don't be such a little punk. Okay. Look at. Okay. See? See all the treats? See all the treats? Okay. Plop. Oh, there he goes. 1. This is your first pick. Will he go in order? Oh, he's gonna. Second pick. Third pick. I'm not gonna touch you. I'm just taking the napkin. He is. I might not even have to grab these napkins if he is statistically just gonna go in order. He's looking for more. And that's a good boy. All right. So we'll start here with the last pick. This is me. I'm going to be so angry. This is the last pick in the JBFL. Durs with the 10th pick. Actually, the 10th pick's not bad. Yeah, it's actually in the middle. I don't. Let's see. All right, 9th pick. Logan. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. 8th pick. Oh, so disappointed in you. With the 7th pick. Sweeney. With the 6th pick, Mr. and Mrs. Broman. With the 5th pick, right in the middle is Commish Belaners. With the 4th pick, Sammy Sam. With the 3rd pick, oh, JP, I thought they were going to do it, but you still might get CMC with it. Oh. With the 2nd pick, Bjorn almost got it, so that means the first pick goes to the Jellies. Can't wait to see a kicker or a quarterback go at the first pick. Thank you, everybody, and thanks to Logger for picking this year's draft spots.